Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO A15s, and today I will show you how you can copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you'll want to open up your contacts application. So as you can see, it's located in the Google folder on the second page. And here, tap on the three bars and go to settings, and at the bottom you'll find import option. Now from here select SIM card, and this will show you all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default they will all be selected, so if you don't want all your contacts, you can deselect the ones that you don't want. And additionally, if you see some kind of contacts that are already deselected and they are grayed out to the point that you cannot select them, that's fine. Those contacts already exist on your phone and the device is simply trying to stop you from creating duplicates. So anyway, from here let's select import, and as you can see, it gives you the amount of contacts that have been imported. When you go back, you'll be able to see them right here, and that is how you import your contacts. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.